The more information you give to Facebook about who your target audience is, the better results that you can get. On this short lesson, I wanted to give you guys an overview of the 3 levels. When we talk about Ads Manager, when we talk about creating campaigns, all we really have to think about is 3 separate things. We have the objective, we have the audience being selected, also called the ad set, and then we have the ad level where you create the creative, the ads that you're gonna put in front of people. Those are 3 completely different things, and they're all vital, and they can either make or break your campaigns if you don't choose them correctly. For example, let's say that you're trying to get conversions, but all you do is optimize for branding. Guys, you're gonna lose. Let's say that you wanna get a lot of traffic to your website, but you optimize for conversions. Guys, you're gonna lose. So selecting the right objective is important. Now, going on to the second level, the ad set. This is actually very, very important also. We're gonna talk about that later on this particular module, but understanding your audience is crucial to your success. Most of the businesses that I've seen fail using Facebook advertising have failed selecting the correct audience. They created good quality videos, they had great images, they had good content, but they didn't know how to select their audience and discover who their real audience is. We talked about this many times. Not everybody, mostly everybody is actually not your customer. So you gotta find out who is your customer. And this is a process of discovery. Sometimes you have to test 4, 5, 8 different audiences, sometimes 10, 20, it doesn't matter until you find a winning audience. Once you find the winner, you scale that and you keep on going to the stars. So it's important for you to go through the process of discovering that audience. I will give you tools that will make it easier along the way, but you can also use your own data that you have from your years of experience as an entrepreneur. If you've been in business for years, or in the last couple of years, you gotten to understand your audience, you can use that data because you already have that data to use it for optimization of your ads on Facebook so your ads can be displayed to the right people. The more information you give to Facebook about who your target audience is, the better results that you can get. So in this level, in the middle one, the ad set level, you're gonna find out who your audience is, you're gonna test it out, you're gonna find out about your budget and how much it gets you, how much are you paying per conversion, for every 1,000 impressions. All this data gets sorted out through the ad set level. Now, be patient on this, my friend, because later on these modules, we're gonna go into something which is really cool, which is, for example, split testing audiences. I haven't shown you that because I wanna take you step by step, but there is the ability to use Facebook's power, just like I mentioned in the previous lesson, to actually help you find your correct audience for you. There's very simple options in which you can test out with a couple of clicks 5 different audiences at the same time, and Facebook will run it through them and actually pick out who the winner is. And that way you take away the guesswork and trying to figure out for yourself. And then we have final, but not the last one, not the least important, is the creative, is the ad level. On this level, you're gonna work on your creative. This is almost like an entire different department on your company. This is the people that are gonna be in there writing your copy, writing your messages, selecting the images they're gonna use, using the videos that you create, doing a carousel ad, which is a series of images, or carousel videos, or building an awesome canvas. All of these things happen inside the actual ad level. So these are the 3 levels that you're gonna be focused on throughout any campaigns throughout history. Any single thing that you do on Facebook happens on one of those 3 levels when it comes to the ad creation process, from the objective to the audience to the actual ad.